Snakes are some of the most fascinating and terrifying creatures on the planet. But while many are harmless, a few carry venom so deadly it can kill in minutes. Today, we're counting down the 10 most venomous snakes in the world. And trust me, you don't want to meet these in the wild. Number 1. Eastern Green Mamba. The Eastern Green Mamba is one of the most fascinating yet terrifying snakes in the world. Belonging to the highly venomous Dendroaspis genus, this species is native to the lush coastal regions of southern East Africa. Known for its bright green coloration, the snake is perfectly adapted to its environment. Its slender body and leaf-like hues make it nearly invisible as it moves gracefully through the dense vegetation of trees and shrubs. Adult females typically grow to around 2 meters or 6.6 feet in length, while the males are slightly smaller. Despite their deadly reputation, these snakes are shy, elusive, and rarely seen by humans. Their reclusive nature is mainly due to their arboreal lifestyle. They spend most of their time in the treetops, and their incredible ability to camouflage with their surroundings. Like their cousin, the infamous Black Mamba, Eastern Green Mambas will flatten their neck into a narrow hood when they feel threatened. This defensive display is usually a warning, but if ignored, the consequences can be devastating. Their venom is extremely potent, causing necrosis, which is the destruction of living tissue. Imagine a bite that looks minor on the outside, maybe some swelling and a few dark spots, but beneath the skin, the venom is silently destroying tissue, spreading damage from the hand all the way up to the arm, shoulder, and even into the chest. It's a gruesome effect, almost like a piece of fruit rotting from the inside out. Fortunately, these snakes don't actively seek out humans and would much rather be left alone. Number 2. Russell's Viper. Also known as the chain viper, Russell's viper is without question one of the deadliest snakes on the planet. Infamous across Asia, it isn't just venomous, it is also responsible for more human deaths than almost any other snake species in the world. In fact, Russell's viper accounts for the highest number of snakebite incidents in countries like India, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar. Rural farmers and field workers are especially at risk, as this snake often hides in grassy areas, crop fields, and plantations. Just a single bite can cause catastrophic and sometimes irreversible damage to the human body. This viper is fairly easy to recognize if you know what to look for. Its body is usually deep yellow, tan, or brown in color, beautifully but dangerously patterned with 3 rows of large dark brown spots. Each spot is outlined with a black ring, creating a chain-like appearance that gives the snake its other name, the chain viper. On average, adults grow up to 1.5 meters in length, though larger specimens have been recorded. Despite not being the longest or heaviest snake in the world, Russell's viper makes up for its modest size with incredible strength, speed, and unmatched aggression. Russell's vipers are notoriously defensive. When threatened, they produce a loud, rasping hiss as a warning, but if ignored or provoked further, they will strike violently. Sometimes they bite and release immediately, but other times they latch on, holding their fangs in the victim for several terrifying seconds. Their venom is extremely potent, delivered in doses as small as 40 to 70 milligrams, more than enough to kill an adult human. The effects of a bite are nothing short of horrifying. Number 3. Coastal Taipan. The coastal taipan is one of the most feared snakes on Earth, found mainly in the coastal regions of northern and eastern Australia, as well as the nearby island of New Guinea. This species thrives in warm tropical habitats, including sugarcane fields, forests, and grassy lowlands, areas where humans often venture, making encounters especially dangerous. The snake itself is easy to identify. It has a long, narrow head and a slender yet powerful body, usually brown to reddish in color with lighter shades on the underside. The snake itself is built for speed and precision. When it spots prey, usually rats, birds, or small mammals. Number 4. The boomslang. The boomslang is a fascinating yet deadly snake native to sub-Saharan Africa. On average, an adult measures between 100 and 160 centimeters long, or about 3.5 to 5.2 feet, though some specimens can grow even larger. One of its most distinctive features is its head, egg-shaped with exceptionally large eyes that provide excellent vision for detecting prey among the trees. Coloration varies widely depending on sex and age. Males are usually a striking light green with black or blue-edged scales, making them blend perfectly into foliage. Females, on the other hand, tend to be brown or olive-colored, giving them more camouflage in their environment. The boomslang is oviparous, meaning females lay eggs, and a single clutch can contain up to 30 eggs, ensuring the survival of future generations. This snake is an expert ambush predator. It often hunts by extending the front part of its body motionless from a tree, perfectly mimicking a branch. Number 5. The Belcher sea snake. Also known as the faint-banded sea snake, the Belcher sea snake is considered one of the most venomous snakes in the world. Despite its delicate appearance, this ocean-dwelling reptile carries venom so powerful that a single bite can kill a person in less than 30 minutes. In fact, just one drop of its venom is thought to be strong enough to kill as many as 18 people. The Belcher sea snake is of moderate size, usually ranging between 0.5 and 1 meter in length, or about 20 to 40 inches when fully grown. It has a thin, flexible body, which is perfectly adapted for life in the ocean. Its coloration is striking, a chrome yellow or pale greenish base crossed with dark green or bluish bands that give it a faintly banded appearance. Unlike many snakes, its scales overlap each other like armor, helping it glide easily through water. The head is short and patterned with the same alternating colors, while its small mouth, though tiny, is perfectly designed for catching prey underwater. Number 6. Black Mamba. The Black Mamba is one of the most infamous snakes on the planet, and it is the second longest venomous snake in the world, surpassed only by the king cobra. Native to sub-Saharan Africa, this snake is feared for its large size, incredible speed, and highly potent venom, making it one of the most dangerous reptiles known to humans. Despite its name, the Black Mamba is rarely actually black. Its coloration can range from olive green and yellowish brown to khaki or gunmetal gray. The snake earned its terrifying name from the pitch-black interior of its mouth, which it displays when threatened, a warning that often deters predators or humans from approaching. Its head is distinctively coffin-shaped, and its sleek, muscular body allows it to move with astonishing agility, reportedly reaching speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, 12 miles per hour on land, making it one of the fastest snakes in the world. Black mambas are highly defensive and will generally try to escape when confronted. However, if cornered or provoked, they will attack with repeated lightning-fast strikes. Number 7. King Cobra. The king cobra, also known as the hamadryad, is one of the most iconic and fearsome snakes in the world. Belonging to the family Elapidae, it is endemic to the forests of India, Southeast Asia, and parts of Indonesia. Not only is it the world's longest venomous snake, reaching lengths of up to 5.5 meters, 18 feet, but it is also one of the most potent in terms of venom delivery and overall danger. In India, the king cobra is both revered and feared. It holds a place in folklore, religious traditions, and cultural symbolism, often associated with power and protection. Yet despite this reverence, encounters with humans can be deadly. A single bite from a king cobra delivers a massive dose of neurotoxins capable of causing paralysis and respiratory failure. These toxins attack the nervous system swiftly, making untreated bites potentially fatal in 50 to 60% of human cases. The venom is so powerful that it can even kill a full-grown elephant within a few hours under extreme circumstances. Combining its impressive size, lethal venom, exceptional hunting skills, and unique parenting behavior, the king cobra remains one of the most dangerous and awe-inspiring snakes on the planet. Number 8. Tiger snake. The tiger snake is one of the most venomous and dangerous snakes native to Australia, renowned for the potency of its bite and the variety of toxins it carries. Its venom is a complex mixture of neurotoxins, coagulants, myotoxins, and hemolysins, which attack multiple systems in the body simultaneously. A bite from a tiger snake can cause extreme pain in the affected area, tingling sensations throughout the body, excessive sweating, numbness, trouble breathing, and eventually paralysis if untreated. The venom acts quickly, and fatalities are not uncommon, with a mortality rate approaching 60% in untreated cases. Tiger snakes are highly adaptable and can tolerate low temperatures, making them active even on cooler nights when many other reptiles are dormant. When threatened, they display a classic defensive posture, flattening their bodies and raising their heads above the ground, ready to strike at any perceived danger. This intimidating stance, combined with their speed and venom potency, makes them a formidable predator and a species to be treated with extreme caution. These snakes are highly variable in appearance. Many are banded with dark stripes resembling those of a tiger, which provides camouflage in grasslands and wetlands. Others may have uniform brown or olive coloring. Despite their danger, tiger snakes play an important ecological role, controlling populations of frogs, rodents, and other small animals in their habitats. Number 9. Saw-scaled viper. The saw-scaled viper is widely regarded as one of the deadliest snakes in the world. Its notoriety comes not only from the potency of its venom, but also from its frequent encounters with humans, particularly in rural and densely populated areas. It is believed to be responsible for more human fatalities than all other snakes combined, earning it a reputation as one of the most lethal serpents on the planet. Physically, the saw-scaled viper has a stout, compact body with a distinct pear-shaped head clearly set apart from the neck. Its relatively small size can be deceptive, as this snake is highly aggressive and capable of delivering multiple rapid strikes. Unlike most snakes, it moves in a sidewinding fashion, gliding sideways across sand, soil, and rocky terrain. This unusual method of locomotion helps it navigate its arid and semi-arid habitats efficiently while conserving energy and avoiding detection. Saw-scaled vipers are primarily nocturnal hunters. Their diet is highly varied, including mammals, birds, other snakes, lizards, amphibians, scorpions, and centipedes. They are opportunistic predators and can adapt to many environments, including deserts, scrublands, and farmland. Adults can live up to 23 years, and up to 80% of them climb bushes and trees during rainy seasons, demonstrating surprising agility for a snake of their size. Number 10. Inland Taipan. Also known as the fierce snake, the Inland Taipan holds the title as one of the most venomous snakes in the world. Despite its relatively shy nature, it is capable of delivering a bite that contains a veritable witch's brew of toxins, making it the deadliest snake by venom potency. Based on the median lethal dose, LD50 in mice, the Inland Taipan's venom is far more toxic than that of most other snakes, including some of the world's deadliest sea snakes. In fact, it has the most toxic venom of any known reptile. When tested on human heart cell cultures, the venom demonstrates extreme effectiveness, highlighting its specialized adaptation to prey on mammals. The Inland Taipan is a specialist hunter of warm-blooded animals such as rats and small mammals. Its venom has evolved to act rapidly on the nervous and circulatory systems of these creatures, ensuring a quick and effective kill. Experts estimate that a single bite from this snake contains enough venom to kill at least 100 fully grown humans, depending on the severity of the bite and whether medical intervention occurs. In extreme cases, death can occur in as little as 30 to 45 minutes if left untreated. Despite its deadly reputation, the Inland Taipan is reclusive and rarely aggressive toward humans. Encounters are uncommon, but the potential danger of a bite demands extreme caution and respect. Its combination of lethal venom,
precise hunting ability and adaptive physiology makes the Inland Taipan not only the deadliest snake in terms of venom, but also one of the most fascinating creatures in the reptile world.